In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Gann Square tool in Tradingview so you can map potential support, resistance and price structure visually. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look over to the left-hand toolbar where all the drawing tools are located. Scroll through the tools and find the Gann Square. It's usually grouped with other Gann tools like Gann Fan or Gann Box. Click on it to activate the tool. Now move your cursor onto the chart. To draw the Gann Square, click on a key starting point, usually a significant swing low. Then drag your mouse upward to a swing high. As you drag, you'll see a square grid appear on your chart. This grid represents both price and time relationships, helping you identify balanced movements and potential turning points. Once placed, you can adjust the square by dragging its corners or edges. Try aligning it properly with major price movements for better accuracy. If you want to customize it, simply double-click on the square. This opens settings where you can change colors, line styles, or visibility to match your chart style. The idea behind the Gann Square is to help you visualize symmetry in the market. Traders often use it to anticipate where price might react based on geometric relationships. If your first attempt doesn't look right, don't worry. Just redraw it and experiment with different swing points until it fits your analysis. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can start using the Gann Square to enhance your chart analysis and spot potential key levels. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.